Transferring Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone is straightforward, and it's important to ensure that your account remains secure during the transition. So you're going to start by installing the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new phone from the App Store, from Google Play Store, one or the other, depending on what phone you have. Before transferring, open the Authenticator app on your old phone. In the app settings, look for the option to begin recovery or transfer accounts, one or the other. If you're using a Microsoft account, ensure that your accounts are backed up to the cloud, all right, which can be done in the app settings. So ensure that you won't lose any account information during the transfer. Once the backup is complete, open the app on your new iPhone or phone and log in with the same Microsoft account that was used on the old phone. Now you're going to be prompted to restore your accounts from the cloud backup. Follow the instructions to complete the restoration. And if you're transferring accounts not linked to a Microsoft account, you're going to need to manually reconfigure each service. This typically involves logging into each account through a web browser and scanning a new QR code with the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new phone. After transferring, test your setup by attempting to log into one of the accounts, ensuring the codes generated by the app are working as expected.